I'm at Bad Kissingen at the Off-Road Trade Fair. Great place for seeing campers. This is the largest RV show in the world for off-road vehicles. This vehicle here is on a Mercedes Atego, obviously 4x4, from this company, Woelcke, in Germany. And let's have a look from the outside. Now, one of the things that people always write to me, put on comments and things of this nature, is how much does it cost? Now, one thing I need to point out very clearly is that when you're dealing with things like this, it's very difficult to put a cost on anything, because often you're bringing your own base vehicle, and the bit you get which has been developed for motorhome use is to a large extent the habitation. Then it depends what you want doing with the habitation. It may depend how you want the habitation to be integrated into the base vehicle. So there's no longer an idea on cost at all. They've given a cost here of 200,000, but I mean, it just doesn't really make much sense, because it depends. I mean, it's like how long is a piece of string, so to speak. Let's have a look at some of the details of it. So you can take 300 litres fresh water, dirty water is 130. It's got a Niesmann electric fridge, batteries 2x300, giving 600 ampere hours. It's got 100 watt solar panels. It's got a charger, which gives 230 electricity inside. So there we can see the batteries. 2 300 ampere hour lithium batteries powered by 6 100 watt panels on the roof. Now let's have a look internally. I always like to keep that bit closed. Now you've got this big chunky vehicle on the outside, and inside it looks very homely. Including the animal that's peeking out from there. All the way around we've got these lockers. Got the fridge I mentioned earlier. Through here we've got a very large wet room. Obviously the toilet's not to be used when it's here. I can understand the need for people out to write that, because I've heard of people using them at trade fairs in the past. But this shower is absolutely enormous. And there you've got the way through to the cabin. And there you've got stacks of hanging space. Look at all that. I mean, I didn't have that much at home. Sorry, I didn't have that much at home allotted to me. My partner helped herself to 3/4 of the height space. And there's me in the mirror. The top up here, we've got a vent and one more in here. Now let's have a look at the kitchen, because people always want to see the kitchen. So we've got induction from there down here. We've got an oven. We've got a worktop there, giving plenty of space, and here we've got a dual sink. Storage under there and place around the table. Nets up everywhere and a glass window with a very secure frame. And the electrics from up there. Right, so this is the sort of thing for off-roading, but it can look nice inside, although the outside it's going to look rather dirty rather quickly. Right, so this company's got a number of other things here, which we can see from here. And you can see them on my side, as well as plenty of other stuff from here at Bad Kissingen. Great fair, absolutely outstanding. I'm really glad I came here. Anyway, so that's all from this Atego built to order.